Hello, this is BBC Radio 2 News at midnight on 16th of June 2004. US President George Bush has announced that he will be sending over US troops to help fight those infected with the Cambridge zombie virus. Tony Blair is yet to announce any further plans of action in the United Kingdom. Queen Elizabeth and the rest of the royal family are set to go to a safe shelter after her two sons, Charles and Andrew, were infected with the virus. Prince William is now heir to the throne. Tributes have been made to the reality TV stars in the Big Brother house who perished with troops and producers in the fire, which broke out in the early hours of Tuesday morning at the studio in Hertford. The blaze has since been put out, but is still advised to avoid the area. British streets are still currently filled with those infected by the Cambridge zombie virus, with Norfolk, Manchester, Liverpool, Southport, London, Bristol, Newport, Cardiff, Bridgend, Port Talbot and Swansea being the hotspots. That is all for now. We will report back in 1 hour. Stay safe.